Welcome to Market Mornings, brought to you by WealthBuildersHQ.com. My name is Robert Roy, and this update is for Friday, December 16, 2022. Hope you're having a great day. Let's dive right in, keeping in mind that everything we look at is for educational purposes. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. And if you like what you see, make sure you follow along. Subscribe not only here on YouTube, ring the bell, but make sure you follow us on the various social platforms to pick up on the latest and greatest of all the things that we publish out there day in and day out. All right, so with that, it's time to jump in. And just like the market, it's kind of ugly outside today here. Just ran out, got back from the gym, and it is pouring rain here in New York. Absolutely terrible. So let's see what we've got going on. So we're going to start off with Adobe. Right? So Adobe had earnings come out last evening on it. Right? And they are up $16. Even in this mess, this garbage, this ugliness that's going on out there, they're up $16.50 to $3.45. So if we look, that puts them right up in here. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 335. Nice. Or directional, which in this case would more than likely be a call unless it falls apart. Then we'll look at a put. Why? Because Adobe's on my list of the 20 stocks that I trade day in and day out. Right? GH is our next one. They've got a drug test that's going on out there that's not going well. It's something to do with blood testing. They're down $13.46. So what Adobe getteth, GH giveth. Right? About the same amount back. So right now, and they weren't doing well to start with. Right now, they're at $28. So, man, they are all the way down at that sucker right there. So, let's see, 28 to 39, that's 11. We need to split that level in half, so we need to apply what are called Fibbits. If you're unfamiliar with them, not sure what they are, you want to learn more about them, there's a free training that I have at our website, and I'll leave a link below, one of our websites called tradinglikeaboss.com. Go ahead and check that out to get some more information on how to use these. So right now we're sitting at 28. We're going to look at a bear call spread above 34. Nice. Meta. I will take anything I can get on a Meta. I'm a big fan of this as a stock. I don't like the leadership per se, but as a stock, I like them a lot with what they do. So they got an upgrade by JP Morgan. Meta this morning is up $2.39, so 118.5. So where does that put us? Puts us above the 8 moving average, right below the fib line. So we're in a neutral bias, which is fine. 111 to 118. Yeah, we don't need a fib in there. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 111 or a directional trade. Meaning buying calls or buying puts. Yes, Meta, just like Adobe, are one of the top 20 that I trade day in and day out. It's on our power option plays list. SCHL. So they are up $2 today, all on earnings. So right now, and they're only monthly options, so it's only good for this week. Right? They're $5 increments. The spreads are a little bit wider than I like. It's okay. It ain't great, but it's okay. As long as I can get enough premium, I'm good to go, right? So right now we're sitting at $37. Where does that put us? Just below. So we've got, think of this. We have an overall bearish pattern. We're in a bearish bias right now on SCHL. We get good news on an upgrade from JP Morgan, but what happens? It gaps up pre-market so far, and it is stopped below our moving average. We cannot get out of the way of being in bearish territory with that bullish news. So for me, next is what we write down for that one. Not really excited about that. And then lastly is WGO. So WGO is up $1.25. They also have earnings out today. Let's get a little bit of a bigger picture on them. Let's see. Here we go. Get on the right screen. All right, so they're $1.25 to $57. It takes us up above our 8 moving average. So we're going to look at a bull put spread below 56. I'm going to do that as aggressive, meaning I'll do less contracts only because we're kind of tight in there with our range. All right, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. focus on what's going on with the market out there right now, guys. I mean, we're down again drastically this morning on the market. We're getting smacked. There's that 8 a.m. bell. We're getting smacked with some of the numbers out there. Other countries raising interest rates and all of that fear and all that kicking in. So focus on that. All right. Have a great trading day. Keep safe. And always remember, you're just one trade away. Take care, and I'll see you next week at our next update. Bye for now.